opening prayer si Brother Olichard. Dahil tingin ko si Brother Olichard.
I would like to share it with you. This is in time for our tonight's activity. This will be found in Doctrine and Covenants, chapter 107, verse 99. It says here, "Wherefore, now let every man learn his duty." Every man, tayo, no? We, the priesthood, brethren, no? Priesthood holders of the
para sa activity na ito. So brethren, thank you for coming. Sana next time, madami-dami tayo. I-workout ulit natin na. Kasi it's been a while na mag-gather tayo. Ata nito, kailan to yung time pa ni Brother George. Nagkaroon tayo ng gathering. Saan ba yung last na yun?
Kila Brother George.
Kina Brother George. Oo, kasama.
Brother George.
Oh, Brother George.
Kumain tayo ro.
Kina Brother George. So, thank you for coming. Isa yan sa, actually, as we have a meeting last Sunday lang outside sa Bishop Lake, isa yan sa gusto namin i-focus ngayon yung video natin. Huwag natin yung
yan din sa amin sa baba, may mga polda. So, yung brethren, gusto ko lang i-share, alam ko, ano tayo kaya yun, alam ko, busy tayo sa trabaho, talagang sinisipagan natin para sa pamilya, pero okay din, kailangan talaga na minsan relax, chill, kailangan may time na ganito nga, mag-relax, chill, tapos banding, may banding na yun, kailangan pa natin. Ako din, isa kahit sa trabaho,
kasi kayo nagpunta.
Magsit mahaba ng buhay.
Mataas ka din.
It was hard through the years, but I'll never give up. Never one of my dreams.
Magtuloy-tuloy ito, no? And huwag kayong mag-alala. Magiging maganda yung mga susunod na ng EQ natin, no? So tignan natin yung organization, tsaka syempre yung support nyo rin sa organization. Tayo naman mga EQ mga matatanda na, so kahit medyo wala tayong leader, kaya na natin na mag-function individually. Basta wag lang natin kalimutan yung ministering natin, no? Yung ministering natin. Pagka hindi tayo ni-interview ng natin, ng EQ presidency, sila na interviewin natin. Parang ganun na rin yun. Okay?
Si brethren sa Signal Village EQ. Anong title niyan?
piling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw.
Yes!
Hindi pa ang Diyos.
Oh, wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Hello guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to click like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po till my next vlog. And don't forget, if you subscribe, to click also the notification bell in order for you to be updated in my next video that I'm going to upload. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.